G'day, Terry from AussieBarbecueSmoke.com. I want to show you our new Coffee Grounds pellets we just imported. Recycled coffee grounds. Look how much smoke is coming out of this big fridge that I've got a smoker maze in. Have a go at this. Look how much smoke is coming out of this maze. It's filled the entire fridge. And the maze goes for 11 or 12 hours with coffee pellets. And it goes about 18 with 100% hickory or hardwood pellets. But these Coffee Grounds pellets are the ultimate cold smoking pellet. Easy to light and double the smoke of wood pellets. How's that?